In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer to Gumroad. To start, make sure you're logged into your Gumroad account. Once you're signed in, head over to your Gumroad dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can see your products, sales, and other important information. We're going to work from here to adjust your payout settings. On the dashboard, look for the settings option, usually found in the sidebar or in the top navigation. Go ahead and click on settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage how your account works, including things like your profile, notifications, and most importantly for this video, your payments. Inside settings, find and click on the section labeled payments. This is where Gumroad lets you specify how you want to get paid. Gumroad requires you to have a bank account set up first before it shows you alternative payout methods like Payoneer. So we'll walk through adding those bank details now. On the payments page, scroll down until you reach the payout methods section. At the top of this area, you'll see the first section where you can add your bank account. This step is essential, even if you ultimately want to receive funds through Payoneer. In the bank details area, click into the field labeled something like Pay to the order of. Here, type your full legal name, exactly as it appears on your bank and Payoneer accounts. Using the correct name helps avoid verification issues or rejected transfers later on. Next, you'll see a field for the SWIFT or BIC code. This is a unique code that identifies your bank internationally. Enter the appropriate SWIFT or BIC code provided by your bank or by Payoneer for your receiving account. Take your time here and double check the characters, because a single typo can cause payment problems. After that, move to the account number field and enter the corresponding account number for the bank or Payoneer receiving account you're using. Again, make sure it matches exactly what is shown in your Payoneer or bank details. You'll then see a confirm account number field. Type the same account number again to confirm it. This step is simply a safeguard to ensure you didn't accidentally mistype anything in the first field. Now, look for the account type dropdown or selector. Here you'll choose whether this is an individual account or a business account. Pick the option that best matches how your Gumroad account is set up and how you operate on Payoneer. Below that, you'll have additional fields for your name and address. Fill these out completely and accurately, matching your official documents as closely as possible. This information helps with verification and compliance, especially for international payouts. Once all of those details are entered and saved, Gumroad will recognize that your bank payout method is properly set up. At this point, you should now see the option to connect to Payoneer or other alternative payment methods. From there, you can follow the on-screen prompts to link your Payoneer account and start receiving